This is how you can make money from home using AI. No experience needed. Millions of Americans are struggling to make ends meet. You can start earning from home today using AI tools completely free. Let me show you how. Drop your email below to get the full guide now. The first thing that you need to do is go to a freelancing website. Once you're on the website, click on Jobs, then type in AI and hit Enter. Now you will see all of the jobs that are available that have to do with AI. As you can see, there are thousands and thousands of jobs that are available right now. And these numbers keep going up every single day. The next thing that you want to do is actually create an account. It's completely free to create an account, so you don't have to put in any money to get started. It takes less than 10 seconds to sign up. And once you're signed up, you can start applying for jobs and start making money today. Now, when you're looking for jobs, make sure that you filter by remote. That way you know that you can work from home. Also, make sure that you only accept jobs that are within your time zone. This is very important. Otherwise, you may end up working at odd hours. Now, the types of jobs that you can get are things like AI training, data collection, data annotation. These are all jobs that can pay you to basically test out AI software and give feedback. As you can see, this one person made $230 in the last week. Another person made $870 in the last month. And another person made almost $900 in the last month. And all of these people are from the United States. And as you can see here, people are leaving comments saying that they are from different countries. And they are also making money using this method. But today I'm focusing on helping people from the United States make money. So drop your email below to get the full guide and the step-by-step instructions on how to get started making money today. Also, make sure to share this video with a friend that needs it. You can also make money by taking surveys. There's a website that will pay you to take surveys. They will literally pay you to test out websites and apps. You can make $10 per survey. And all you have to do is share your honest opinion. There's another website that will pay you up to $35 per survey. And they have thousands of surveys that you can choose from. And if you want to make even more money, there's a platform that will pay you up to $150 per hour for testing websites and apps. Now, if you want to make $500 in the next 7 days, then I strongly suggest you watch this video next, because I am gone. Nah, show you exactly how to do that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Have a great